guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to make this really cool new nail design that I came up with. So if you want to check it out, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the materials you're going to need for this video are some light blue nail polish, some dark blue nail polish. You're also going to need some purple nail polish and some light pink nail polish, and you will also need a top coat to seal everything in afterward. And lastly, you're going to need some type of fan brush or something that looks like this and can serve the same function, which is to spread out the nail polish evenly, widely across your nail. So you have to find something that can serve the same purpose as that or similar to that. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so the first step is to take your blue nail polish and color every single nail with this blue. Only one coat though. Don't do more than one coat, because then the nail polish is not going to dry. So you only want to make sure you do one coat. So let's go on and do that. So now that we painted our nails with the light blue, we're going to get our fan brush, and then we're going to dip it in the light pink. So this pink would be up next. And you would dip your fan brush into that light pink, and then you would do strokes of the light pink over your nail. Now you want to make sure you don't paint your whole nail with that light pink. You want to leave some extra spaces for the dark blue and for the purple. It's going to be like little dashes of the light pink all over your nail, and you want to make sure you leave those extra spaces for the other colors. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is what your nail should look like for now. And now the next step is to get our purple nail polish and do the same thing we did with the pink, and then later on we would do it with the blue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I painted my nails with the purple dashes, and now the last step would be to do the blue dashes, and then we would do the top coat and the design would be finished. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so now that I painted the dashes with the blue nail polish, this is what your design should look like. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the top coat on to seal everything in, and then we're basically done with the design. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So this is the final result, and I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for watching, and go subscribe down below, hit the little bell so you guys never miss my videos, and comment down below if you liked the video and what you think I should do next, and make sure to go hit that thumbs up down below, and I'll see you next time.